Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to add auto scroll on TikTok. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to install this application from Play Store. So this is the application Automatic Scroll, and after installed, open this app and now click on this plus icon here. And from this list, select TikTok and click on OK. And now turn on the start service option from here and click on show the settings. And from here turn on automatic scroll and go back. And now click on this three dot icon here and click on settings. And you can adjust the speed of scrolling. And now open your TikTok. And here you can see TikTok is started to automatic scroll. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.